we're going to take our melted dark chocolate and then we're going to place our other acetate right on top. And we're just going to spread it out as best as you can. And then we're going to take 2 toothpicks and just draw like if you were trying to make some wood grain. Perfect. So now we're going to take our chocolate and just roll it up. Perfect. Then we're going to take our chocolate and go to the freezer. So our chocolate is fully set back from the freezer, and we're just going to unroll. Then we're going to pull our plastic back and see our beautiful tree bark. So I'm going to take a piece here. Okay, so we have our graham crackers, and we're going to take our rolling pin and just crush them up like so. And then we're going to pour them out on our tray. Perfect. And we have some melted butter. We're just going to pour right on top. We'll mix that later. Now we're going to take our leftover chocolate cake. Oh my gosh, this one's my favorite cake. And pour our milk in. And then grab our spatula and just push our cake down. We're going to place our lid on top. Perfect. So we're going to take our cake pop mixture. We're going to have 3 big scoops. Perfect. And then we're just going to come in with our spatula and just spread it out. Perfect. So we're going to take our marshmallow fluff. Just squeeze it right out. And we can take our spatula. Okay, so we're done spreading out our marshmallow fluff. Now we're going to take our bananas, place them right there, and then we're going to take our knife, like so, and then we're going to start rolling, and you're just going to take your time. We're going to keep rolling on our second sheet. So we're going to pour 1 Maurice of chocolate ganache right on top, and we're just going to spread it out. Perfect. We have our chocolate straight from the freezer. We're just going to place on our chocolate like so. We're going to place our last piece. Then we're going to take some melted milk chocolate and just start brushing. And then take our cake in the refrigerator. So we're just going to take our butter and just squeeze it out. That's our first one. Here's our second one. We're going to go in descending order. 4, and then our last one, 5. And we're just going to go right in the center with our chocolate pancake batter. We're going to take our first one and flip. So we're going to take our pancakes off of our griddle. We have our pancakes. They're cool to the touch. And we're just going to build a snowman. So we have some buttercream already in a piping bag. We're going to pipe right in the center. Take our next pancake and just press down. And then we're going to take some more buttercream, pipe right in the center, and place our last one right on top. Build up just a little dollop of buttercream for our snowman's face. We're going to take our nose, and we're going to take our eyes. Awesome. Now we're just going to add our Reese's peanut butter cup as our hat. We're going to place our waffle cones right here. Next, we're going to take some water and our pastry brush, and we're just going to gently brush our fondant with some water. Next, we're gonna take our ice cream cone and then roll our fondant. Perfect. So, just gonna shape our tree like so. And then we're gonna go in with our scissors and just cut. So now that we have our tree, we're gonna turn it upside down, fill it with some M&Ms right inside. And we're gonna turn it over, bring it next to our snowman. So now we're gonna take our snowman and our Christmas tree. So we're gonna place in the refrigerator. We just took these out of our fridge, and then we're just gonna take our tree and place it right here. And then we're gonna take our snowman and place it right here. Last, we have some more snow. And we're just going to gently dust our cake.